The E68pro has a 500 watt rear brushless hub motor with a max speed of 20 miles per hour, thumb throttle, 48 volt 375 watt hour battery with a range of up to 25 miles, front drum and rear eabs brakes, 10-inch solid tires, headlight, taillight, rear suspension, collapsible seat, and weighs 45 pounds. Additional specs can be found in the description section below. This is the box that it came in. For the interest of time, I took everything out of the box. We have the instruction manual, we have the charger, and then the seat. I also found Allen keys, but I ended up not using them. So the first thing we're going to do is pull this handlebar stem up. Next we're going to pull this lever up so that it clicks. And this is secure. You can't pull this lever down without pulling this tab up. And then you can pull this back down. We're going to keep this locked. The seat bracket was already installed. We'll pull this up. So we need to pull this to the right side. Then we can pull this up and then pull this down to have it secure. And then coming up here, we're going to pull this open with the seat facing forward. We'll put this seat post in to your desired height and then pull this into place. And if it's too loose, you can turn this clockwise, and if it's too tight, you can turn this counterclockwise before securing this. For the handlebars, there's these spring tabs that we'll just push in until they click. We'll do it on both sides. The charging port is down here. You pull this rubber flap off, and then you would plug in one end of the charger in here and the other end into the outlet. Let's take a look at the controls. We have the grip, we have the only brake lever. Notice that there is some play right here. There's a bell. Here's a controller. There's a cruise button, up button. There's a light button and a down button. This is the display. This is the hook that latches to the back right there. This is the power button, the throttle, and then the grip. In order to turn the scooter on, you press and hold this power button, and then this displays. So we have the current speed in miles per hour by default. This is the headlight, the battery level, and then the current gear. Starting over here, there's a cruise button. When you're coasting at a certain speed, you can press this and it will hold the current speed. We'll test it shortly. Currently we're in pedal assist 1. Here's a quick overview of the parts of the scooter from the manual, and then this is the display. For gears, white, the max you can go is 10 miles per hour, yellow is 15 miles per hour, and red is 20 miles per hour. Coming up here, we're on white by default. You can press up to go to yellow, and then up for red. There's nothing above, and then you can go down, and the throttle does not work right now unless you push the scooter more than probably 3 miles per hour. If I press and hold up, nothing happens. If I press and hold down, nothing happens. We can turn the headlight on and off by pressing this button. This is the throttle again, and we need to push the scooter probably more than 3 miles per hour in order to use it. And then if you double press this twice, it changes to kilometers per hour. And then if you do it again twice, it changes it back. I tried pressing it once and nothing happened. I tried pressing it 3 times, nothing happens. 4 times, nothing happens. 5 times, nothing happens. So I think that's all the settings that are available. And in order to turn it off, you press and hold the power button and it turns off. There's also a lever here where you can adjust the height of the handlebar. It could be this low and it can be this high. In order to fold the scooter, I need to bring the seat down, so I'll pull this lever up, pull it back. You can't push this forward until you push this black tab right here. And then I also need to loosen this to fold this down. I need to pull this tab to pull this lever down, and then this can go down. I also need to adjust the handlebar to the appropriate height for this to latch onto the rear right there. And then I can carry the scooter. This is the latch zoomed in. You can push this down to release it, or you can put it back down for it to hook on. If you press the brake lever, these blue lights and rear red tail light start to flash.